Apple Watch Ultra 2 Battery Life Test Real-World Usage. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 promises the best battery life of any Apple Watch. But how does it perform in a real-world use? With mixed daily use, workouts, GPS tracking, notifications, and music streaming, the Ultra 2 typically lasts about 2 full days on a single charge. If you push it harder without continuous GPS workouts or outdoor adventures, expect closer to 39 hours. In low power mode, Apple claims to 72 hours, and in testing, light use like step tracking and occasional notification can stretch it that far. Charging is also quick, with fast charger topping up 20 to 80% in under an hour. Compared to standard Apple Watches, this is a huge upgrade, but keep in mind, it's still far behind endurance watches like Garmin Fenix or Coros, which last weeks. So, in real-world terms, the Ultra 2 delivers excellent multi-day performance for Apple Watch, but if battery is your absolute priority, other brands still win. So that's it.